In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. This feature can really enhance your designs, whether you're making a presentation, social media posts, or any other digital content. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Canva. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in canva.com. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have one. Once you're on the website, the next thing you need to do is click on the Login option. It's usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, so just give that a click. After you click on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This could be your Google account, Facebook, or email, depending on what you use to sign up for Canva. In this example, we'll proceed assuming we're using a Google account. Click on your Google account, and if everything is set up correctly, you'll be brought right into your Canva homepage. Sometimes you'll be asked to click on Continue to proceed to the next steps. Once you're in your Canva dashboard, click on Home. From the home screen, you'll have access to all your saved designs and templates. Locate the project you wish to edit. Once you've found it, click it to open it. Now this is where the fun part begins. Inside your project, click on the text that you want to animate. When you click on the text, various editing options will pop up on a toolbar. Look for the Animate button, which should be visible right on the toolbar above your design board. Click on this button and you will see multiple animation choices. For this video, we want our text to appear one by one like it's being typed out. To achieve this effect, select the typewriter animation. This animation will give the appearance of your text being typed line by line, creating a dynamic effect that's sure to keep your audience engaged. If you're a Canva Pro user, you also have the bonus option to adjust the speed of this animation, allowing you to customize how quickly or slowly the text appears. And that's it, you're done. With just a few clicks, you've now animated your text to appear in a captivating manner. Feel free to preview your design and make any additional adjustments to perfect your content. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to make text appear one by one using Canva. I've given you a simple way to add some extra flair to your projects. Happy designing!